Hello moms! Today, I'll guide you through how to use a breast pump to express or decant milk, a true lifesaver for breastfeeding moms. This little tool is especially helpful when you're traveling, away from your baby, or need to feed discreetly in public. It's also perfect for moms whose babies are teething or when direct nursing feels a bit uncomfortable. Let's see how it works. First, I place the breast pump on my breast, making sure the flange fits snugly and completely covers the nipple. This creates the right seal. Without it, there won't be enough suction to express milk properly. Next, I gently press the handle to create a smooth pumping rhythm. You'll notice the vacuum forms, and soon, milk starts flowing into the container. This breast pump is very comfortable to use, and the wide container makes it convenient for collecting milk from multiple sessions if needed. It's designed to be gentle and pain-free, which makes pumping much more relaxing. Once the milk is collected, you can store it safely in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. However, for the freshest feed, it's best to use it within 3 to 4 hours after pumping. If you're on the go, I recommend using a portable cooler to keep your milk fresh while traveling. As you can see, it doesn't take long, the container fills up quickly, and you're ready to feed or store. Remember, breastfeeding and pumping are both learning experiences. Don't worry if it feels tricky at first, with a little practice, it becomes natural and easy. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below.